Hello, I'm Tomasz from the I-Pi team. Welcome to I-Pi Studio. Today we will be introducing a new DevKit, I-Pi SMARC RB5, which is based on Qualcomm RB5 platform and is powered by QRB5161 octa-core SoC, which is very powerful. So this kit supports up to 6 MIPI cameras, which is pretty exceptional, and it delivers up to 15 TOPS AI performance, which is also stunning for a low power platform. So let's take a closer look what's inside the box. So we've got a pre-assembled DevKit here, means carrier board, module and heatsink. We've got a quick start guide where you can find all the useful information how to set it up. Let's take a look on the other side. So here is a power adapter. We've got also power cable. This kit we offer with two different type of power cables. We have US type and EU type. And the last thing in the box is the USB cable. So that's the whole kit. Let me show the DevKit in detail. So starting with the SMARC module, which is powered by Qualcomm QRB5161 octa-core SoC. Which is based on 8 ARM Cortex-A77 cores. This module supports up to 8 GB memory and up to 256 GB UFS storage. And there are also 3 MIPI camera connectors on this side and 1 on that side, so 4 MIPI camera connectors on the module. Now let's jump over to the carrier board. On this side you can see audio port, 1 HDMI port, then 2 gigabit LAN connectors, 2 USB 3.0 connectors, 2 USB 2.0 connectors. On this side we've got Raspberry Pi compliant 40-pin pin header. Let's move to the other side. Here we've got a dual channel LVDS connector, 2 additional MIPI camera connectors, then additional 40-pin pin header, micro USB connector and power plug. Let's flip it over to the back side. Here we've got 2 M.2 connectors, B key and E key, and we've got a SIM card slot and micro SD slot. Thanks for watching. You can buy the kit on ipi.wiki. The links are below. In the next episode we will show you how to get started and connect everything. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, follow us, and see you in the next episode.